I just love the way my hair feels. It's so healthy. And voila, honeys. So these curls were done with the T3. These suckers get hot too. Hey y'all, guess what? I just got home. So tired. My sleep pattern has been so off. When I got home, I arrived home, not home, I arrived in Philly at like 9 a.m. in the morning. As soon as I got to DC, I was so tired. My assistant went got me food, and I was so tired that I didn't even eat the food. I just went straight to bed. And then I woke up at like 2 o'clock in the morning, went back to sleep. Then I think I woke up at like 5, got up, had to wash my hair because my girl is going to come over and do my U part today. She's going to come over and install it. So I will, this is my hair before. My hair feels so healthy. Remember when I got, if you watched when I got the U part the first time, I got my ends clipped and she cut my U part in layers, but not the same girl, different girl. So now my girl's gonna come over to my place and install my U part, but I just love the way my hair feels. It's so healthy. I washed it. I did use my Olaplex today. And hold on, okay, so like I was saying, I did use my Olaplex today. And some people say it's not, it doesn't do, like it doesn't, they don't like it. I love it. It's good for me, but I understand like everything is not for everyone, but it does my hair no harm. I am fresh out of the shower. I have not put anything on my face yet. It's so dry. I'm sunburned, so I want to get something on my face like really fast. Actually, you know what? This Cartier mask is sitting right here in front of me, so I think I may do a mask. I may just do this little mask. Actually, not even may. That's what I'm going to do, a mask, and then I'm going to, after the mask, do my facial routine. But also, what was I just thinking? Oh, with my hair, I don't like to blow dry it. Although I think I'm gonna get that Dyson. I don't have a Dyson blow dryer. No, I'm not even getting the Dyson blow dryer. When I was in Doha, I did try the Dyson, like the curl tools. I'll put a picture of it. This thing, I like went into the Dyson store in the airport. That thing was so amazing. I think I'm going to invest in it. Actually, I'm not going to invest in it. I'm going to ask for it for a Christmas gift, so I don't have to pay for it. But that thing was so amazing. When I saw it in the Dyson store, I fell in love with it immediately. So I was like, yeah, that's definitely on my Christmas list. But for me, I don't like to blow dry my hair. It's about 8:30 in the morning now, and my girl is going to come over and do my hair at 12, so I'm going to let my hair air dry as much as possible before she gets here, because I hate putting the blow dryer in my hair. That's how I think that's how I like retain the healthiness of my hair, like as less heat as possible. Although I feel like when I do get my U part, I do kind of curl my, put heat in my leave out, but not that often. I actually use this stuff here. Let me see if I can show you. I'll tag this for when I am doing my hair. I use this. One of the girls put me onto this. Sean definitely cut my hair into a bob, and she definitely said you should use this. So I use this when I'm going to put any heat in my hair, and I like it. Aveda has some stuff that's really good, but this is the latest. But anyway, I will show you, honeys, after I get my U part in. It's not curled or anything, so I'll just like show it to you, but it's gonna be probably straight. I think I'm gonna do the side part today because I've just been wearing the middle part, and I'm kind of like, oh, I want to do a little change. But anyway, I'm so super tired. I'm gonna do some chores right now and probably go out, and I could, if I have matcha here, actually no, I actually have Dunkin' credit for my MX. But I don't like Dunkin' matcha. Actually, Starbucks is right here next to my house, so I think I'm gonna walk to Starbucks and get myself a matcha, and maybe I'll take you honeys along with me. That's after I do all this face stuff. All right, honeys, we'll see you soon. All right, honeys, so we are all done. U part has been installed, and yeah, so I will have a side part whenever I put the part in it. Yep. It loves a U part, y'all. Just loves me a U part. So all I have to do now is like curl it. Now look at this tan. I am so burnt. I like the color. I'm just like itchy though. All right, honeys. Good morning. All right, y'all. So we're about to curl my hair right now. Oh, so I got my little U part in. I already showed y'all. But this is my T3. This is the large barrel T3. This is the one that got burned out in the Maldives. Pissed. But when I got home, I did have my new ones on deck. These are hot. These are hot right now. But look, same thing. This is crazy. And I did not follow my own instructions because when I travel internationally, I take my own converters. I take converters with me. Let me show y'all my converters real fast. So I've been to Maldives like a few times, like 5-6 times or whatever. But I never do my hair when I go. I'm on vacation, honey. I am not doing any hair. I may do my hair. I try to get there like maybe a day before my birthday because I've gone like a few times on my birthday, and so I don't have to like do my hair that much. Like it'll already, like when I get there, it's already done or whatever. Like, or I think the last few times I had like a bob, so I just wrapped my hair. And knowing that I'll probably get in the water, I was like, okay, I'll get there so I can just take little cute little birthday pictures and, you know, go ahead on by my way. This time I was like, that's why I took my hair. I was like, I'll just wear a bun or whatever. It's no big deal. You know, I just don't feel like dealing with hair. And then, you know, if you have extensions in your hair, you get in the water, then it's all heavy. You put your hair in the water and it's heavy and then it's taking forever to dry. And then I have like this fear of a mildew under my hair. So I'm just like, oh my gosh, like no, like it takes forever to dry, like when you have like a sew-in. But this is a U part, so it'll probably take even longer. So of course I did not want to deal with that. And I said, okay, I'm just gonna, you know, take my curlers with me. And I use this. This is just like a little, this is not a converter. This is, I can't think of it. It's mine drawing a blank, of course. But this is one I use in Europe. I have one that I use in Europe and, no, UK. This is from London. And then there's a little hole, if you see there, this little space here. The one for Europe, like when I go to France or like Italy, it slides right into that slot. I should have brought that out, but I did not. Anyway, this is what I used. And stuck my freaking curlers in the outlet, and I knew I shouldn't have done it because the light was like going like fading in and out, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is like not getting hot. When I was like, oh my God, I was distraught. These freaking curlers are like $180, something, right? It was like $200 curlers, and yeah, I messed them up. So this is like, oh my God, I'm so sick about it. And so when I was on my way back to the US, I knew I was gonna get my U part back in. So I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta order new ones. So I ordered them. By the time I got home, they were in my mailbox. And let me show you what I should have taken with me, which I take these. I take this like usually when I travel, every time I travel somewhere, I'll have this in my luggage, but it's this one here. I will link this, y'all. This will put you in the game. It has this for when you're in like maybe like Europe, I say like, you know, like France and Italy. And it has this here pops out when you're in like the UK, and you just stick your piece here if you live in the US. But this, I've had this forever. You know, you can charge your phone. I probably should update it and get one with the USB-C, but I just plug my outlet into this one here. But yeah, this is like everything. And when you stick it in the outlet, you can just hear it, like the motor. It's like, it kind of like takes the energy down a notch, for lack of a better term. I think when we're in the US, it's like so many voltage watts or whatever it's like going through. And so this kind of like breaks it down so that you can actually use your tools. But me being the, I don't know, I knew better. I knew better. Anyway, I made a matcha this morning. This is so good. I made it with vanilla. Actually, used the vanilla from like the coffee bar downstairs in my building. I just came back from downstairs getting vanilla syrup. But anyway, I am going to curl my hair. Of course, you guys know I have a side part. Well, it's not, I don't have a side part right now, but I'm going to make myself a side part. So I will be curling my hair with my new T3 curlers. Let me know if y'all want a curl tutorial. Maybe I shouldn't say that because right now I'll probably curl my hair and then it won't even look right. So y'all gonna be like, why am I getting a curl tutorial for a girl? You ain't even do nothing. Anyway, I'm gonna curl my hair really, really fast. I'm not even gonna hold y'all and show y'all unless you tell me if you want me to show you, honeys. But yeah, that's what's gonna happen. And I think I can't find my little flexi rods. So what I'll probably be doing is getting on Amazon and ordering more flexi rods because I refuse to burn my leave out. My hair has been like growing and thriving and it's all healthy and stuff. So I love how my hair is cut in layers, y'all, because even when it's the same U part, so even when we shift it, of course I had the middle part first, but now I had to like shift it over because it has the layers, it still layers properly, you know? But anyway, y'all, this hair was like, I air dried it and now I'm going to curl it. It's just been like sitting on my Peloton. I washed it and then I like put it on my Peloton handlebars to dry because my Peloton is by the window. And so I just let it like just air dry. Y'all, I have a Peloton. I have not gotten on that thing in years. It's like, it's a clothes hanger. All right, honeys, let me curl my hair and I'll show y'all like, you know, the finished product. Hopefully it's cute, child, because if it's cute, I ain't coming back. Okay, I ain't coming back. And voila, honeys. So these curls were done with the T3. These suckers get hot too. I put them on the third light. What that temperature is, honey, I don't know. I do not know, but I know it made some pretty cute curls. I've just gone over it like once, so I'll probably I think I'm gonna order my little flexi rods. Now I have flexi rods. I don't know where they are. I have one. Y'all, my skin is so tanned. Anyway, I have one. I don't know where the other ones are. They're probably around here somewhere, but I was trying to read a text message because I'm vlogging from my phone. Anyway, yeah, let me see if I can get my life together and I will see you honeys later. Okay, voila, honeys. Okay, this has been like some days later. See, I got my nails done. These nails are so cute. I got them like a matte brown. Let's see if I can you see that? So cute. My hands are ashy, but I'm at home. I'm about to do some. I put some lotion on now. But okay, so I curled my hair again. It's been like days later, and I just wanted to show you. These are my curls with the smaller T3 curlers here. See the little small barrel? So this is the smaller one here. But yeah, it's like the size of maybe like a quarter. But it curls it tighter, so it kind of draws the hair up a little more. But I definitely love the curls. I love what it does. Love it. Loves that for me. And I think when I curl my hair with the bigger ones, I had like bigger pieces and I did like smaller pieces. I pull smaller pieces to curl with this. But anyway, yeah, these are the curls but anyway, T3 loves them. I will definitely link the curling irons. But like I said, they are not cheap. They're not overly expensive, but they do work phenomenal. And like when I'm curling my hair, I can tell like it's not burning my hair. But I definitely I will link this also because like I said, my girl put me onto this BB hairdresser invisible oil. Here. There it goes. And it's like amazing. But all right, honeys, these are curls. Your girl's curling. But I will see you, honeys, on the next destination. Oh, and I have something big that I'm going to share with you, honeys, on the next vlog, or like right after this. I think it's gonna be after this. It should be after this. No, I gotta do my birthday vlog. But anyway, I have something big coming, and I guess I'll put it in a short or something. But all right, honeys, I see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your girl, because we're trying to grow this channel. Tell your girl, tell your aunt, honey. 40 and over crew, this is where it's at. 45 and over, this is where it's at, honey. All right, y'all, I will see y'all next time. Bye.